Here's the documentation for the ImagePicker component in Expo. With this, we can select an image or a video from the user's library or from the camera. Now, all these components have this platform compatibility table. So as you can see, this component is supported on all these platforms. Some of these components are only available on a real device. We cannot use them in a simulator. So before using a component, always have a quick look at this table. Now look at the installation instructions. All we have to do is to run this command in the terminal window. As simple as that. There are no additional steps that we need to follow. Now over here, the documentation is saying that if you're installing this in a bare React Native app, that means a React Native app without Expo. Then we have to follow these additional installation instructions. So that means if we use this component now, and then tomorrow we decide to eject from Expo, we have to perform these additional steps. Let's have a quick look. Look, for iOS, we have to go to this file, info.plist, which is short for property list. Here we have to add a couple of lines, a key value pair, and then run npx pod install. For Android, we have to do a similar configuration. Now, this is not too bad, but sometimes components provided by third-party libraries require some more configuration. Now, back to Expo documentation. All these components have a working example. Again, they're perfectly documented. You can see all the methods available in their API. You can see their parameters, their return types, and so on. We have perfect documentation here. That is why I love Expo. A lot of third-party libraries out there are poorly documented and they're not under active development. So if they have a bug, you're on your own. So here in the terminal window, let's run expo install expo-image-picker. All right, our ImagePicker component is installed. Now, whenever we want to access sensitive information on the user's device, like their location or images, we have to request their permission. We'll talk about that next.